It's Referral here, and in today's video, I'll be exposing, or let me say, I'll be talking about the 13 biggest lies about crypto trading. Now, you know those flashy traders on Instagram who are always showing off their expensive lifestyle, or the YouTube ads that are promising you that you become millionaires overnight? Yeah, we need to talk about those things. Now, crypto is one of the most talked about asset classes of our time, but with all the hype comes a lot of misinformation. So whether you're just getting started in crypto or you've been trading for a while, these 13 lies I'm about to talk about could be holding you back from making better trading decisions. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to watch out for in crypto trading. So let's get started. Now, the first big lie about crypto trading or crypto in general is that crypto is a scam. Now, we all know that the crypto space has seen Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, and pump and dump scams that make people skeptical, but that doesn't mean that the entire crypto industry is a scam. No. Now, the truth is that crypto is a technology just like the internet, and yes, people use the internet for scams, but that doesn't mean the entire internet is fake or useless. We still have the good side of the internet. Now, the same thing applies to crypto. While some crypto projects are fraudulent, we still have major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on that are built on transparent blockchain technology, which makes them secure and verifiable. Now, the important thing you need to understand right here is that you should always do your research before going into crypto, and don't just randomly buy a crypto or trade a coin because social media influencers are hyping it or because it is trending on Twitter. If something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. So be very, very careful. And when it comes to crypto trading, especially futures trading, you need to please educate yourself very well, because I've come to realize that a lot of people don't bother to learn extensively about futures trading before getting into it. They will just see ads of people making a ridiculous amount of money from trading and then just jump into it without doing any proper research or any proper education. And when they fail or when they lose money into futures trading, they come online and start saying crypto is a scam. Crypto was never a scam, and crypto is not a scam. Now, the second big lie about crypto trading is you need to trade full-time to be successful. Now, this is completely false. Many successful traders still maintain other jobs and trade part-time. Yes, I know if you're a day trader, you need to watch the chart all the time or almost every day in order to make consistent profit. But you don't have to be a day trader before you can start making money with crypto trading. Now, day trading is just one of the ways to make money with crypto, but it is risky and very stressful. You don't need to watch the chart all day to make money from crypto. What matters is having a solid strategy and proper risk management. It's not about the hours you put into it. And there are many ways you can make money with crypto without trading full-time. First, you can be a swing trader and still make money consistently. And in case you don't know the difference between a day trader and a swing trader, I have a video to guide you on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. So if you are planning to become a swing trader, make sure you check out that video. Now, aside from being a swing trader, you can do long-term investing by simply buying solid cryptocurrencies and holding them. Now, you can also earn by staking your cryptocurrency. That's another way you can earn passive income by holding certain coins. And also, you can make money from crypto trading through trading bots or copy trading. Now, I have tutorials to guide you on all of these things to make money with crypto. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. So you can see that with all of these things I've mentioned to make money with crypto, you don't have to be a full-time trader before you can start making money. Now, the third big lie about crypto trading is that technical analysis is all you need. Now, many traders believe that technical analysis is the only thing that matters when it comes to crypto trading, but that is a lie. Now, I know that I always mention that you need to understand technical analysis very well if you want to become a profitable crypto trader, but that is not the only thing you need. Yes, I know technical analysis is useful because it helps you to understand price trends, resistance levels, market patterns, and so on. But relying on only technical analysis is a mistake, and here's why. The first reason is that crypto is heavily influenced by news and market sentiment, which means that even a single government regulation or even an Elon Musk tweet can move the market. The second reason you are making a mistake is that interest rates, inflation, and global events can also affect crypto prices. And number three is that understanding fundamental analysis is just as important as understanding technical analysis. So the best traders always combine technical analysis and fundamental analysis and even market analysis to make smart decisions. So if you want to be a profitable crypto trader, don't be like those people who always say technical analysis is everything you need. Ensure you learn every other thing. Now, before I go to number 4, I discovered that about 70% of you who watch my videos do not subscribe to my channel. So please, if you love my videos and you get so much value from them, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you. Now, the fourth big lie about crypto trading is that crypto trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, this is probably the most dangerous lie on this list. Now, anybody promising you that if you buy a certain coin or if you trade a certain coin, you'll be rich in a month is lying to you. Anyone who is telling you that if you trade a particular coin, you will 100x or 1000x your money is lying to you. Don't ever believe people like that. You will never see me come online and tell you that if you buy a particular coin, you will get 100x of your money or 10,000x of your money. No, I will never say such a thing. If I recommend a coin to buy, I will educate you about the coin and let you know why it is a good investment. Not that you should buy a coin and because you buy a coin at $10, you'll make $100,000 suddenly. No. Now, I know that there are some people who have made so much money with crypto, but you also have people who have lost everything just because they thought crypto trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. Just like stocks, crypto prices also go up and down. And if you invest without understanding the market, you can end up losing a lot of money. So you need to understand that consistent trading success comes from patience, discipline, and consistent risk management, not just by gambling or aiming for the moon. Instead of chasing quick gains, focus on educating yourself properly and doing proper research. Now, the fifth big lie about crypto trading is that you need a lot of money to start trading. Now, a lot of people think they need a huge amount of money to start trading crypto, but that is not true. Now, the beauty of crypto trading is that you can start with a small amount of money, as little as $10, and then you grow that money gradually. Now, many crypto trading apps out there allow you to trade a fraction of any crypto you want to trade. So you don't need to have a lot of money to start crypto trading. Moreover, it's better to learn with smaller amount of money, as you will most likely make mistakes in the beginning. So instead of wasting your time looking for a huge amount of money to start trading, start practicing with the little amount of money you have, and by the time you have consistent profit, you can then increase that money to make more money for yourself. Now, the sixth lie about crypto trading is that following popular traders guarantees success. Now, many people believe that if they just follow the trades of popular influencers or traders, they will automatically make money. No, it won't work like that if you have no knowledge about crypto trading. Some people don't even have any experience with trading and they just want to go ahead and follow a popular crypto trader or a popular forex trader, thinking that they will automatically make profit. Now, it doesn't just happen that way. You need to understand that every trader has different risk tolerance, capital, and different goals. So if you are blindly copying another trader or you are copying the trades of other people, it will often lead to losses for you. So if you are planning to follow other people's trades, ensure you have some sort of trading experience already. Now, the seventh lie about crypto trading is that more trades equals more profit. Now, this is actually one of the fastest ways to lose money with crypto trading. Overtrading often leads to emotional decisions, and more trades actually equals more risk, not more profit. Crypto markets are volatile, and making too many trades can lead to impulsive decisions and even bigger losses. Now, smart traders always focus on quality over quantity. So instead of chasing every small price movement in the market, sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Now, the eighth biggest lie about crypto trading is you need complex trading strategies. Now, this is another huge misconception about crypto trading. You don't need super complicated strategies to start making money with crypto trading. Simple strategies often work better than complex strategies. The key here is to understand your own strategies thoroughly and execute it consistently to make consistent profit for yourself. And if you're looking for strategies to try out, I have a playlist on my YouTube channel where you can find different videos on different trading strategies. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, the ninth biggest lie about crypto trading is that losses are always bad. Now, nobody likes losing money, but the truth is, losses are part of crypto trading. Even the best traders in the world take losses regularly. But what matters is managing the losses properly and learning from them. You need to accept the losses and don't let your emotions control your decisions. Successful traders always use proper risk management to keep their losses small so that one bad trade will not wipe them out of the market. Now, for example, myself, every month I focus on having at least 60% win rate with a risk to reward ratio of 1:1.5 or 1:2. Now, this way, I know that even if I lose 40% of my trades, I'm still profitable. And even most times, I win more than 60% of my trades. So again, losses are not always bad. They are part of crypto trading. The 10th lie about crypto trading is you can eliminate risk completely. Now, risk is always in trading, whether you like it or not. Crypto markets are volatile, and there is no way you can completely remove risk. Even with the best research, the best risk management, and even the best strategy, things can still go wrong with your trade. Now, the goal here is not to eliminate risk completely, but the goal is to manage it effectively by using the right risk to reward ratio and using stop losses to limit your losses. Now, the 11th big lie about crypto trading is that all you need is one big win. Now, this mindset is very, very dangerous, and I've seen this in a lot of beginners who are just coming into crypto trading. There are some people you will see that will use ridiculous risk to reward ratio like 1:6, 1:7, and so on. That is just too much. I even know of a particular trader who was using 1:6 risk to reward ratio 2 years ago, but now the person is now using 1:2 because the person was losing money consistently when he was using 1:5. So you see that mindset that you are waiting for that big win, it can lead to irrational decisions and the potential for significant losses in your trades. And you need to understand that trading success comes from small consistent profits and proper risk management, not you using huge risk to reward ratio and waiting for that big win all the time. You will most likely lose your money. And always remember that trading is a marathon and not a sprint. Now, the 12th big lie about crypto trading is that trading is easy money. Sure, there are some people who make quick profit in crypto trading, but the reality is that it is not as easy as you people think it is. Now, even in my Signal group, there are times when we all take profit in less than 10 minutes or even 20 minutes, and you'll be thinking, oh, that's easy money. And there are also times where it will take us almost half of the day before we eat our profit. And there are some times where we also eat losses. So it is not always easy money. You need to understand that trading requires proper education, practice, emotional control, and dedication. So it is not always easy money. And the last biggest lie about crypto trading is that you need to watch the chart every minute. Now, this is a common misperception in crypto trading. Many people think that they have to be glued to their screens 24/7 following every single price movement and market update. No, this is not only exhausting but can also lead to poor trading decisions. Now, the truth here is that constantly watching the market can cause anxiety and lead to emotional trading, and the best thing to do right here is to have your trading plan and stick to it. Just set your entry price as the case may be, set your take profit and your stop losses, and let your strategy work for you. Not every market movement requires your attention or action once you set all of these things I've talked about. Moreover, if you are trying to catch every market move, it can lead to overtrading. And sometimes you just need to step back and let your strategy do the work for you. So there you have it. I've just debunked the 13 biggest lies in crypto trading. So now that you know the truth, you are in a better position to navigate the crypto world wisely. And remember, successful trading is about consistency, risk management, and continuous learning. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or flashy promises. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell, and also drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions about all of these things I've mentioned in this video, and I'll be replying to all comments. And if you want to learn how to trade trading as a business, click on the video showing on your screen right now.